Phone. iPhone, do you know? Pussy clad.
Fuck. Watch you know. That's for them those loot, you know.
After Hurricane Melissa, Jamaicans spotted looting shipments from Knutsford Express Company. The devastation of Hurricane Melissa in October 2025. Jamaican residents relied on familiar routines and resilience to cope with the Category 5 storm. For many, the experience was a mix of serious emergency preparation and a determination not to let the disaster stop life. Concerns are being raised that Jamaica's recovery from Hurricane Melissa could be hindered by criminal activity, targeting local companies.
Fuck. Watch you know. That's for them those loot, you know.
Let us know what's your thoughts in the comment section.